Security is one of the most important aspects when talking about blockchains, smart contract, and cryptocurrency because it helps secure your customer and investors' funds. In the year of 2022, more than $1.7 billion was hacked from blockchain and crypto systems, and this is actually insane because it is not all. In the year of 2023, in the month of September, we've seen a total value hack from blockchain and crypto system go over $300 million, and this is insane. So, how can we solve this problem? How can we reduce this amount of hacks in the blockchain? It is by understanding exactly how these real-world attack vectors work on the blockchain, but also how to mitigate these kind of attack. In this course, we are going to talk about consensus, network, smart contract vulnerabilities on the blockchain, and we're going to see how we can conduct a full smart contract security audit review and project. I've been teaching people around blockchain and smart contract security around the world, and I decided to create this course to be able to bring more people into this industry, but also how to reduce hacks on the blockchain. If you are IT professional, a cybersecurity professional, blockchain enthusiast, a blockchain developer, an investor, aspiring smart contract auditor, this course is for you. My name is Makongeto Bojil. Thanks for joining this course and see you.
Yeah, thank you for joining this new lecture and this new course. Welcome to this new course. In this session, we are going to talk about the importance of smart contract security audit in the blockchain and crypto space. You can see from this diagram the percentage of value stolen from DeFi protocol by attacks types from 2020 to 2022 Q1. You can see that we have a variety of security attack. We have the security breach, we have the flash loan, and we have the code exploit. So these are the most attacks that has been launched on blockchain and crypto system since 2020. And we can see that we have flash loan in 2020. Flash loan were implemented hugely in the ecosystem. It is actually a special type of attacks that helps attacker or hacker manipulate the price and remove a huge amount of funds from these protocol. So it's actually really interesting attack. We also have the code exploit, how you can see here. So we can see that the code exploit has the much it's actually much represented from 2020 to 2022. And what does it mean? Code exploit is actually means that these DeFi platform running on smart contract or powered by smart contract, had some vulnerabilities in their smart contract. Because what you need to do is that DeFi is based on smart contract. All the DeFi platforms, all the decentralized finance platform are created out of smart contracts. So code exploit here means that all these smart contracts had some vulnerabilities lying inside. So it's really important to understand that. And this is why, you need to go through the course and understand how we can actually fetch some of them, because these exploit, steal people's fund, steal investors' fund, and it's bad for the community, and it's not really good for the blockchain and crypto adoption around the world. So you need to understand these, attack. If you are an investor, if you are a CEO, if you are a blockchain developer, or even a blockchain professional, it's really important because security matters a lot in this area. Now that we've seen that, we're going to see another report. You can see the destination of stolen fund, where people are actually putting these, money after install. Now we can see another report. You can come down here. Yeah, the biggest cryptocurrency theft from 2021 in 2022, you can see that the different platform that has been hacked. Okay, we have Poly Network, we have Bitmart, we have Better DAO, and we have Venus. You can see all these platforms. And also in 2022, we can add the Binance breach, because the Binance breach was hacked in 2020. Okay, it's really important to understand that. And yeah, that's why smart contract security is important, because it helps secure your customer fund. And sometimes, it's a huge amount of money. People lost billion of dollars. No, it's not really interesting, because when you invest, you need to see a return. So there are different kind of attacks that can happen that you need to know to be able to secure not only your fund, but also the community and the blockchain growth, the blockchain adoption. So if you are a professional blockchain, if you are a cybersecurity willing to get into the blockchain space, this is for you. And see you in the next lecture. Yes, thank you for joining this new lecture and this new session. In this session, we are going to talk about smart contract auditor salary. But before talking about that, we need to understand what is actually smart contract audit process. So smart contract audit process is the way of finding vulnerabilities on smart contract. And a smart contract is actually a set of code that is written and deployed into the blockchain. So most or all the DeFi platform out there work based on smart contracts. So it's really important to understand that. So a smart contract auditor is going to review the code, logic, the architecture, and the security measure, to these platforms to be able to help, these platform, get more secure. It's really important to understand that. So now that we've seen that, what are the smart contract auditor salary out there? You can see it from here. For based on your experience, we can have entry level smart contract auditor can make around 50K to 80K dollars, US dollars. So as a mid level blockchain salary, you can have from 80K to 120K. It's really important. And sometimes it depends, to the region. It depends to where you live. And as a senior smart contract auditor, you can make more than 200K per year of dollars. So it's really important. They have deep knowledge, track record, and successful audit. It's really important. So you have to take time to reach this level. So it's really important to understand this, because smart contract audit, is a booming field around the internet right now. It's a booming field around the blockchain space right now, because everyone is trying to create a blockchain solution, but they need to secure the solution. That's why we need smart contract auditor to be able to help secure the funds that has been invested in these decentralized platform.